Good morning to all. Today I am going to tell amazing story with a good moral. There were two days in a river. A small sparrow was passing my way. She was the first deity. It was the heavily. So can I mind a Swami brother? So me and my babies. The first the sparrow and the sparrow flies away. She went to another and asked the same question to the teacher. Second day again, another sparrow to make us honest pandas. Another the heavily, and the first day both fences with the lens. But the sparrow saw that she went and stuck the U-pot punished for rejecting me to business and the look begged that it is my that is so dear. I only know that is such a heavy lens. Sorry that I to make nest my brother. Saying this, the thief lost away.